Florida campers. We are at it again. So the road trip starts again. We are on our way and got a surprise.
Yeah, we do.
So we will be letting you guys know what it is shortly. And hope everyone has plans to go camping this weekend.
As in usual adventurous uncertainty style, we're leaving in the middle of a tropical storm.
Yes, we are. It is raining. So, I'll just tell you this much. We're headed to Florida. That's right. Okay. See you guys later.
Good morning, campers. It's early on a Saturday. We got up at 5:30 on a Saturday morning. We haven't done that since we were camping in Kansas. So there's Larita. And our adventure continues. We overnighted last night at some family member's house in Northwest Florida. And we're on the road early. We're drinking coffee from a service station because eating trail mix. It's nutritional breakfast for all of us this morning. All right, so the adventure continues and we'll check back with you guys shortly. And we did a thing this weekend.
Yep. Thanks to Dome Life, and we'll put their link below.
Yeah, they inspired us. We've been looking for months, I guess, and this one became available, and we just couldn't turn it down.
We didn't get exactly what they got, but it's something that came up. So,
yeah, we like I say, we've been looking for months, and this one we just couldn't turn it down. We had to jump on it. So it's been a long weekend. We went all the way to Central Florida yesterday from Alabama Gulf Coast. It's been a long weekend. But here we are. We're going to show you what happened.
Yep. All right.
Okay, campers, this is our We Roll mini trailer. So it's a 9x5 by 4, I believe, and it's a blank slate. It's got doors on both sides. In the front, it's got a hatch for an air conditioner. It's wired for 110 and 12 volt. And we're going to make a lot of improvements to it. It's an off-road trailer. It's got 31-inch tires. It's got a high center axle. And then on the back, it's got double doors. And we're going to build this out. I used to make cabinets in another life. We're going to put some cabinets here for our kitchen, some storage, and then we'll have the bed up there. So essentially it's a bed on wheels. And we don't have to move all of our totes constantly. We're excited. We hope to take it on a lot of adventures. We're not going to give up tent camping entirely, but it's 90. As I was saying, it's 92 degrees here on the Gulf Coast. The humidity's probably 90%. I'm an old guy. I'm over. So
You're not that.
it's just too warm to camp in a tent. So we're looking forward to being able to use an air conditioner and further adventures in our new trailer. Fits on the first try, more or less. We had to back up, start again a time or two, but yeah, it fits. So the goal is to get all this camping gear, or at least the majority of it. Here's our bed. We got all these totes in here, so we don't have to store it over here. We don't have to load, unload it every time we go camping. It's more organized, hopefully.
Aunt Edna down there.
Yeah, there's our T4, our Gazelle tent. We love that thing, but it just gets old loading and unloading all this stuff. We glamp, we don't camp. So hopefully we're gonna get the majority of it in the trailer and make life a little easier. All right, see you around the campfire.